In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription quickly and efficiently. Whether you've decided to move on to another service or simply want to manage your expenses more effectively, knowing how to cancel a subscription is an essential digital skill. Let's begin by navigating to the account settings, which usually act as the control panel for all your preferences and information. To get there, you'll want to first locate the gear icon, often found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This gear icon serves as a gateway to an array of options and settings that help personalize and manage your user experience. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Account and Settings. This is where you'll find all the nitty-gritty details of your account. Inside the Account and Settings section, you'll see a variety of tabs, each tailored to a specific aspect of your account. What you're looking for is the Billing and Subscription tab. This is a critical part of managing your account as it allows you to oversee the financial aspects, including payment methods, invoices, and most importantly for today's task, your subscription details. Once you've entered the Billing and Subscription section, you should see an overview of your current subscription plan, complete with details such as the renewal date, the amount charged, and potentially any benefits that come with it. It's here where you'll find the all-important Cancel Subscription option. This button is usually clearly marked to prevent any confusion. Click on it and you'll be initiated into the cancellation process. After clicking the Cancel Subscription button, you'll typically be guided through a series of prompts. This part of the process might require a bit more of your attention, as you may encounter questions or options that require your input. Companies often use this opportunity to gather feedback or offer alternative solutions such as downgrading your plan, pausing your subscription, or even providing a discount to keep your business. Take a moment to read through these options carefully. They might inadvertently offer exactly what you need without fully canceling your subscription. If you're sure that cancellation is the correct path, follow the instructions provided. These steps are designed to confirm your decision and ensure there are no misunderstandings. Be prepared to confirm your cancellation at least a couple of times. This is a common practice intended to prevent accidental cancellations. Once you have completed the process, a confirmation message will usually be displayed on your screen, indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to verify this by checking for a confirmation email in your inbox or reviewing your account status one last time. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to cancel your subscription. Always keep in mind, knowing how to manage your subscriptions is an essential part of maintaining control over your digital life and personal finances. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful.